Isang mapagpalayang araw sa ating lahat. Ako si Adjo Bagasbas at ako ang inyong representor ngayong araw. Ngayon po, ang ating tatalakayin ay ang Table 12A, First Semester Severity of Poverty with Measures of Precision by Region, Province, and Highly Urbanized City in 2018, 2021, and 2023 according to PSA. So, for the introduction of our topic or my topic is in order to analyze poverty severity in the first semester, detailed assessment of poverty indicators are necessary to understand its extent and spread in various regions. Statistical information is crucial to evaluate poverty levels, family prevalence, income disparity, severity, and other factors for 2018, 2021, and 2023. This data help policymakers tailor intervention effectively and target resources to reduce poverty in the Philippines. And now let's move for the table 12A. So as you can see, there is a 17 region in that table. Kinuha ko na lang po yung mga regions na total na poverty rate ng mga region. So, total, as you can see, at the estimate of our poverty in the Philippines, first is in 2018, 1.8 ang coefficient 1.8% ang coefficient variation in 2018. 2021 is 2%. 2023 is 1.5%. So, bakit or paano ba nakukuha ang estimate na percentage ng population or ng uh, highly urbanized cities in our country or here in the Philippines in province? So, as you can see on this table, in estimate, kinukuha yung lower limit and upper limit ng ating lower limit and upper limit. So, ano nga ba yon? Makikita yon dito sa table 2 or sa pangalawang table, yung 90% confidence interval. So, once you add the 1.7 and 1.9 then divide into how many region, makukuha yung targeted na or yung estimated na estimated numbers. So, kung maitatanong nyo, ang standard error na makikita nyo ay simula 2018 ng Philippines, 2021, and up until 2023. Simula 2018 and 2021, 0% or 0, walang pagbabago. Ano po? So, in 2023, 0.1. May maikli or may kakaunting pagbabago na nangyari sa Pilipinas. Ano yung pagbabagong iyon? So, yung measures ng region and also the province here in the Philippines, yung total na urbanized yung cities, urbanized na place sa Philippines, which is itong 12 na to, kung makikita nyo, sa 12 na ito, sa 17 na region, kung mapapansin nyo, lahat yan may pagbabago simula 2018, 2021, and 2023. Hindi siya yung nagme-maintain. Kagaya dito sa NCR or the National Capital Region, the estate or the coefficient variation ng NCR in 2018 is 0.6%. But in 2021, bumaba 0.4%. And to 2023, 0.2% ang estimate variation, coefficient variation. So, malaki yung pagbabago or malaki talaga yung pagbabago na yung mga cities or mga urbanized cities here in our country, Philippines. So, I will not further explain more about on this kasi lahat naman ng ibang reporters ay nai-report ito. So, in this table, for transparency, binigay ko na lang po yung mga naka-highlight or mga naka-bold na regions, which is yung total nila. Yung total, in total na total nila doon. So, kita naman dito yung pagiging transparent. And also, and now, to further explain this table, the highly urbanized cities, in general, poverty incidents in highly urbanized cities are relatively lower compared to many of the provinces in the country. And in HUCS, within NCR, the following cities registered significant decline in their poverty incidence among families from the first semester of 2021 to 2023. Cities of Caloocan, Navotas, Las Piñas, Muntinlupa, Parañaque, Pasay, and Taguig. On the other hand, for HUCs, outside NCR, the city of Butuan registered the highest significant decrease from 26.5% in the first semester of 2021 to 16.9% in 2023, while cities of Bacolod in the only HUC that significantly increased. So, on that, kita natin na yung increase at decrease ng pagbabago sa limit or yung pagbabago sa ating population sa first semester. The first semester severity of poverty with measures of precision by region, province, and highly urbanized cities within 2018, 2021, and 2023 are may malaki talagang pagbabago. May pagbabago pero may pagbabago nga ba, di ba? Mapapansin natin sa table na may pagbabago na mataas, bababa, yung iba tumataas, pero yung iba naman ay bumababa. So, I hope naintindihan kahit papano yung diniscuss ko. And thank you for listening. Thank you.